So this is example 1.18, sum number 5, which is also a 6-mark question. Okay, so you have to solve these homogeneous non-homogeneous equations by using Cramer's method. As usual in Cramer's method, let's write the formula. X is equal to del x by del, y is equal to del y by del, and z is equal to del z by del. So let's start with finding out del first. Okay, so del, if I write it down, write the coordinates of x, y and z. 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3 and 6. So the value of this del will be equal to 1 into 2 into 6, 12, minus 4 into 3, 12 again, minus 1 into 2 into 6, 12, minus 4 into 3, 12 again, plus 2 into 3, 6, minus 3 into 2, 6. So if you see everywhere I get 1 into 0, minus 1 into 0, plus 2 into 0. So obviously del is equal to 0. Now let's find out what del x is. How do you form the matrix for del x? First write the resultant matrix 4, 8, 10. Right? 4, 8, 10. Then write the y coordinate 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6. Okay. So del x will be equal to 4 into 2 into 6, 12, minus 3 into 4, 12, minus 1 into 6 8s are this into this, 48, minus 48 minus 40, plus 2 into 8 into 3, 24, minus 10 into 2, 20. So if we expand this, it will become 4 into 0, minus 1 into 8, plus 2 into 24 minus 20 is 4, which is 0, minus 8, plus 8. So del x is also 0. Okay, so now let's find out del y. When you write the matrix for del y, whenever you are writing for y, leave the next two columns and start from x, right? So it would be 1, 2, 3, then don't write for the column for y, right? Then write 4, 8, 10. So for finding del y, in the resultant column, the resultant matrix, you write it in column y, and x and z will remain as it is. Okay, so this will now become 1 into 48 minus 40 minus 4 into 12 minus 12 plus 2 into 20 minus 24, which is 8 minus 0 plus 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. So again this gets cancelled, so the resultant is 0. To find del z, write the resultant matrix in the z column, and the remaining will be as it is. X and y will be 1, 2, 3. So this will be 1 into 20 minus 24. So it will be 1 into 20 minus 24 minus 1 into 20 minus 24 again, plus 4 into 6 minus 6. So it will be minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 4 will be plus 4. Plus 4 into 0 will be 0. So again this gets cancelled. Del z is also 0. So you must notice here that del equal to del x equal to del y equal to del z, which is all equal to 0. So this obviously means that the system is inconsistent, right? Right? Does it have any solution? You cannot find a solution because you take any 2 cross 2 minor matrix in this del, right? The resultant will always be, the determinant value will always be 0. You take any 2 cross 2 minor matrix, right? So if you take the red square, it will be 2 minus 2, 0. If you take the orange square, it will be 4 minus 4, 0. If you take the green square, it will be 6 minus 6. If you take the blue square, it's going to be 12 minus 12. So you take any minor matrix within del, it is going to be 0. But if you take any minor matrix within del x or del y, for example, take this square here, you don't get 0. So this is 24 minus 20, which is not 0, right? Likewise for del y, if you take this one, right, 48 minus 40, it's not 0. Likewise in del z, if you take this one, right, it's minus 8, not this one, this is a wrong example, this one, 20 minus 24 is obviously not equal to 0. So in del, you take any 2 cross 2 minor matrix, it is 0. But in del x, del y and del z, some 2 cross 2 minor matrices are not 0. Therefore, the system you can say as it is inconsistent and has no solution. It is not only important to write del x, del y, del z, but also the reason. We can say that del equal to del x equal to del y equal to del z equal to 0, and all 2 cross 2 minor matrices of del, okay, is equal to 0, but not all 2 cross 2 minors of del x, del y and del z is not equal to 0. Some of it is equal to 0, but there are also some 2 cross 2 minors which are not 0. Therefore, we say that the system is inconsistent and has no solution. This can be a 6 mark or it can also be a 10 mark, right? So be very careful. It's very easy to find del x, del y and del z, but please write the reasoning properly. If you want, I can repeat the reasoning again. In case of del, although del x, del y and del z is 0, you take any 2 cross 2 minor in del, okay, the determinant value will be 0. Any 2 cross 2 minor. But whereas in del x, del y and del z, there are a few 2 cross 2 minors within this matrix where the determinant value is not equal to 0, right? So hence we say that the system is inconsistent and also has no solution.